if you don't know me, my name is Giselle. I usually don't introduce myself or don't do introductions because if you know, I am autistic, and just like introducing myself is one of the things that I struggle with. I just don't see the point of introducing myself every time. But just for the people that don't know me or are new to the channel, I'll just let you guys know what my name is so that you are familiar with me. We had a really fun and chill weekend this past weekend. We really had been wanting to go to this a mine. Basically, you go down in the mine and they also take you in a boat because the mine is flooded, and we had been wanting to go there for a while. So this weekend we finally got the tickets and went. It was really fun. And then after, we went to this other museum that was really cool and really old and had all kinds of rocks and crystals. So it was really fun. And then we found this really nice river and we stopped just for a little bit. My husband actually went in the water. I could not get in the water because I didn't have any clothes. So yep, that was our weekend. Oh, sí.
What it is they were trying to push lead ore down to the level so they could elevate it or raise it up to the level. It's a little money to fill it in there. It's a good idea of how pure and clean that water is. It's really, really clear. Makes it really perfect for the diving in there. The reason they're
Mira, alguien se casó aquí. Aquella ya se fue a la chingada. Romero.
Qué buena idea me dio Fue un chingona bien perro de las cuevas.
acuerdas que cuando aquel güey le echó la luz se veía así como aquel era?
Oh, sí, aquel
No,
sí.
no, el grande este de aquí,
¿Este
el tercero.
blanco?
El tercero. Ven, párate aquí. Y ve el tercero de esa fila. 1, 2, 3, el gris. ¿Ves cómo brilla?
Ujú.
Como el que alumbró el vato.
Oh, sí. Aquí está chido, ¿verdad? Nos podemos ir allá a aquel arbolito. Por ahí está el camino por la orilla. Ajá.